What is up, you guys? Today you are decorating with me. We are going to decorate the tiered tray in my kitchen together. So we are at the Disney house. So many of you have requested that I do decorate with me's and I decorate the house, and I joked and said I was peer pressured, which I was, but it's okay. I'm excited. It's all for the best. So I ordered a tiered tray on Amazon. I like it. I'm not obsessed with it. Listen, it was on Amazon Prime. It came in a day and it was not that expensive, and it matched the kitchen. It was just a heck of a thing to put together, and I got frustrated. So we went to Home Goods and I got an epic 3-tiered tray. First, I had to light a candle and calm down about the crappy tray, which I did end up using later. So stay tuned. But this tray is life. So we figured, let's go bigger and put it on the island and do 3 tiers. So it's a black marble finish, got it at Home Goods. I swear this thing would have been like $300 in a regular store, and we paid, I think, $59 for it. And it matches the kitchen perfectly with the brass finish. And I laid out all of our decorations on the counter. So everything that I wanted to use for the tiered tray, as well as decorating the house, I just put out on the counter. That way, I kind of always do it this way. That way I can just grab things as I'm going and not feel so lost. And I can kind of grab things of similar colors as well to organize. So if you have no idea how to decorate a tiered tray, or you would like one in your kitchen, I'm going to walk you through how I do it. I do these every single Halloween, every single Christmas, through the holiday seasons. Actually, who am I kidding? All year long. Very first thing, wiped off the counter, got all the dust off of the tiered tray. And then, little tip, if you guys have a better tip, share it with me, but I use Goo Gone to get these horrible stickers off of Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshall's products, because they seem to be the only places that use these types of stickers, and it's horrible. They're so hard to get off, but once it's off, and it's all good. So I grabbed that little cube. I started with that, and these smaller candles were perfect for a tiered tray because they're not like a bigger, bulkier candle. And really, am I going to light these? Probably not. They're really just for viewing pleasures, and they were super cute. So the other tip would be to stick to a color theme. So I knew that I wanted to incorporate purple and green in this tiered tray, since I've never done that at home in Canada. So I got these 2 cauldron mugs at a cute little shop in Celebration, and they have the green on them, the orange, matte black, and then the other one has some purple. The other thing is this candle, which I knew I was going to use. So that's got the purple on it. So what I tried to do was put a little bit of purple on one tier, a little bit of green on another one, and kind of spread out the colors and complement them. I had a vision. The other thing that I love on a tiered tray is these dangly leg characters. They usually have them for Halloween, they have them for fall decor, they have them for Christmas. This year's were pretty epic. These were at Michael's. I was so happy I was able to find some. I also got some smaller gnome ones at the little boutique in Celebration as well. I just had to tilt this guy's hat a little bit inwards so that he could be nestled into the tiered tray, but it made sure that way he was steady in there. I love these salt and pepper shakers. Another tip for a tiered tray, especially if you're doing a small one, just get some salt and pepper shakers. You don't have to fill them with any salt and pepper. You can if you want to, but they're a small enough little object that they can be so cute on a tiered tray as a piece of decor, and they're not big and bulky. These pumpkins are so cute. I actually went and ordered a larger one. It's not a canister, but I think it's more just a piece of decor. I know that this company also does canisters. I just thought they were so cute. Got that Mickey during my Disney haul, which I love. I'm going to stuff him with some stuff inside of him, maybe some candy or something, some fake candy. And then my little skeleton hand. So I thought it'd be cute to kind of hold the candle. Again, that's why you go for smaller candles, and it totally works. And there's such a wide array of candles at Home Goods that you can just grab based off of your color preference and whatnot. So I had said that I was going to use this cube to raise up one of the dangly leg guys. So I got a smaller dangly leg, and I really love the Home Sweet Haunted Home. That was my favorite. So I just wanted to make sure you could actually see it. So I just needed to rotate him in a certain way, but he's like a Halloween gnome. He's so cute with his little dangly legs. And he's all out of ceramic, so he kind of came to the forefront of the tiered tray because his little hat wouldn't have fit under there, and definitely not bendable because he's ceramic. So as long as no one touches this and nothing falls over, there will be no tears from me. So the other thing I just took off all of the tags off these little picks. I got those picks and sticks from Michael's. It's literally all they had left, but it was perfect. I got a second dangly leg dude. to put on the other side of the tiered tray. Now, I just want to say, if this tiered tray was up against a wall, I wouldn't have to do a full 360 of it. It is so much more daunting to have to do a 360 view of a tiered tray, but it's working. The other thing that I don't know if you noticed was on there was the Gideon's candle that I got at the Gideon's Bakery in Disney Springs. And I feel like, by the way, these candy corn picks, that works pretty well. If you can't do real candy where you are, if it's too hot where you are and you might get bugs, have at it. Do some fake candy. Where I am in Canada, I can totally do real candy, but in Florida, that's not happening. The other thing was this straw, which I love. You can get that from Hannah Marie Magic on Instagram. I love her, and she has the cutest tumblers as well for Halloween. So the other picks that I had were these very magical looking pumpkins with a little bit of glitter. I figured I would put those in one of the mugs. That way it kind of adds just a little bit of height and dimension to stuff, as well as just a pop of color. And this way it can kind of stick outside of the tiered tray. So I put the pumpkins in a couple different mugs, and I just step back from it, keep working on it, keep adding, keep moving stuff, and it eventually comes together. I will say this was probably the hardest tiered tray I've ever done, just because there was so much room for stuff, but it definitely worked out super well. I love every single piece that's on there. I could absolutely keep adding to it, even with like a little sign or something, but I kept, finding treasures throughout the kitchen and added. So I had the Nuimos, I think is how you call them. So I had a little Jack Skellington and I added him. And then I kind of just tried to bring everything to one visual side. By the way, found my Ray Dunn Spooky mug, had completely forgotten about that. That needed to go front row center on the top, also because he's really high. And I put the Mickey little pumpkin container on the top as well with the dangly leg guy. And I just tried to spread out, like if something's similar like the dangly leg guys, I could just kind of spread them out on separate tiers. I had those can holders from Home Goods as well, that I had two different ones. I have the mummy and the pumpkin, so that worked. The salt and pepper shakers and that Gideon's candle. The Gideon's candle is the perfect size for this, and it has a little bit of Halloween flair to it. So there's that Jack Skellington Nuimo. The Sally did not go. I put her somewhere else in the house. You'll see it later. She's in the bar area. Love the hand, the skeleton hand holding the candle. It's pretty cool. And then the pumpkin mug, the Mickey pumpkin mug from this year's Disney collection. I just got it at Disney Springs. I'm pretty sure you can get it online as well. I'll try and link all these things that I use always so that you guys can shop. You can use my Like to Know It page to shop all of the things in my videos. But I hope that this was helpful for you. If you want to do your own tiered tray, please tag me on Instagram. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up for the tiered tray love. And I will see you guys tomorrow. We're going to keep decorating and shopping and doing all the things. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.